Come here, come here, come here. Oh shit! Oh my God! Get her! Get her!
You okay, baby? Yeah, I didn't want that. Huh? I didn't want that. You said that's the money you want to my phone. I've never seen that before.
I'm cautious. What am I killing that?
What? You're wet.
No te duele nada.
No.
Yeah, no te duele.
Because I was running in the water.
Yeah, that's what
Look me.
Yeah, that's it.
I come back, you got to not running, but it came more. You didn't have it on video?
I was recording, but then I ran. Well, yeah, I was running with her out of mine, but when I saw Chris get like grab her, so I started turning around and I saw you.
I saw mine, I was like, fuck, I got it, you know. And I told you that one was guilty. Yeah, I told
And I told my dad, let's go, let's go.
Are you hurt though? Are you guys hurt? No.
Nah, they hit pretty hard.
Like that, but
you're fucking scared.
Only if I could have stopped, and that's it. Only the water can be on my feet.
But you kept running. That's how when I saw the water, I saw you guys fall. I looked at Chris because had a mile, so I was like, stop it and turn around. I was like, if the water's pushing you guys this way, I'll catch you guys. That's the bone of the wood. And then I was like,
What? Water. It's only water, neighbor.
vamos a tener que ir a la lavandería ahora. Porque no tengo la...
Oh. Besides that, though.
Oh, shit.
You got soaked too?
Yeah?
Did you fall?
No, I stopped because I saw them fall.
That's why you don't fall.
I stopped, yeah, well, no, I was going to keep running because of my ass. I didn't, I knew it was the water. That shit would have dragged your ass down.
Oh, yeah.
So cuando vi que se agarró, por eso me paré y volteé. Para ver dónde estaban ustedes. And that's when the waves just got me.
I thought you got hurt when you saw it. No, I don't worry about her because that's going to actually drop further.
Yeah, that was...
I grabbed her and then I turned around and then I was like, oh, the water's not coming. Well, it can't.
Yeah, you guys were.
Yeah.
And I told him, yeah, let's go. No.
I said, not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
As soon as I saw the waves like that, I was like, no. It was big. It was almost as big as the rock. I was like, no, this is going to hit. I was like, it's going to hit hard.
It was fun. Like, if I so bad, it's
Yeah, this is
I know where it's not where. Oh, this part's not where. Oh, hold on. I got it. Oh, no, I would have got my phone like I did. Oh, my phone. They're right there. Yes, come on.